In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page numbers from specific pages in Word. If you're working on a document in Word and need to remove a page number from just one specific page, like a single chart, section break, or middle page without wiping out the numbering across your entire document, it all comes down to section breaks. Let us do this. First, we need to isolate the target page so Word treats it as its own independent section. Place your cursor at the very end of your page, right before the page you want to unnumber. See here. Go to the top menu ribbon, select Layouts, then click Breaks, and then choose the next page like this. Now, scroll to the bottom of the page that you want to remove the number from, place your cursor at the end of the text, and then insert another Breaks and Next page like this. And this locks your single page inside its own isolated section. Hence, now that your page sits in its own section, we need to disconnect its footer from the rest of your document. Just double-click the footer area right here, and you will bring up the Header and Footer tab. Then, while you're here, click the link to the previous right here to turn this off. Now, scroll down to the next page after your target page, click inside its footer, then click Link to Previous to turn it off there as well, and if you have it. Go back to your target page, highlight page number, and press delete on your keyboard, and the number vanishes from that single page while leaving the rest of your document numbered. And before we finish, guys, a pro tip for you: removing a section number might cause the next page to reset its count or jump improperly. If the page numbering after your unlinked page looks wrong, you just double click the footer on the page where numbering should resume. Then go to the top ribbon, click page number, and then choose Format Page Numbers. Select Continue from the previous section, and then press OK, and that will fix any glitches that removing the number prior had. But there you go, that is how to remove page numbers from specific pages in Microsoft Word. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, and make sure to check out our other tutorials.